Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Instagram Reels bonus. Want to earn money from Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Instagram Reels bonuses so you can start monetizing your content. The first step is to check if you're eligible. And to do that, just open your Instagram and tap on the three-line menu on your profile right here. Just gonna click on the three dots here and go to your professional dashboard. As you can see, this one for professionals, and scroll to bonuses and check if you see Reels Play bonuses. If you don't see it, Instagram hasn't invited you yet. The second step is to set up bonuses. Now if eligible, tap get started and under Reels Play bonus, follow the prompts and agree to the terms. And also add your payout informations, this means bank or PayPal. The third step is to start creating Reels for bonuses. Instagram will track your views on Reels and you'll earn money based on views and engagement. The fourth step is to track your earnings, and you can do that by going to your professional dashboard and click on bonuses to check earnings, and payments are proceeded once you reach to the payout threshold. And now you know how to set up Instagram Reels bonuses. Follow these steps to start monetizing your content and earning money. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.